We all know what product launches are. A product launch is simply a series of free content delivered in a sequential manner in order to build trust, authority, and likability among our audience, so that by the time our actual product is launched, everybody is pre-sold and ready to swing their credit cards right away. Okay? There's nothing new there. The problem with product launches is that they are a one-off event. Once you've launched your product, you cannot run the launch process all over again, or at least not immediately after. That means that you just have one shot at monetizing your launch, and if for whatever reason it doesn't work, all your marketing efforts go to waste. Ouch. But now, all that is about to change, thanks to our new product launch WordPress theme that will set your product launches on autopilot. This is a theme that has been specifically designed to build up excitement around your upcoming product launch by showing content to your visitors in a sequential order, all leading to your grand launch day, but it does it A, on autopilot, and B, over and over and over again. So, now, why is the product launch WordPress theme so special? Well, there are a few reasons for that. First of all, it focuses exclusively on content. Often, when you visit a WordPress blog, there's just too much information floating around the layout, and your visitors can lose track of what's actually important: your content. Our theme, on the other hand, has a totally clean design, specifically focused around your launch sequence content. Now, just take a look at and appreciate this design. A clean header, which can be totally customized by you, an attention-drawing headline in a red-colored bolded font, and a very neat and simple, uncluttered content presentation area. No sidebars, no banners, no AdSense, no links, no distractions, nothing but pure content presentation. That will keep your visitors glued to where you want them to be, reading your post or watching your videos. Second, we all know that a successful product launch must build a buzz in the community, and part of that is done via comments on your different posts. The product launch WordPress theme has an impossible-to-miss call to action to encourage your visitors to leave the comments. Plus, there are two comment input boxes, one immediately after the content area and another one at the bottom of the comment section. And that will keep the comments rolling in, further building up the buzz around your upcoming launch. Third, we've created a very smart system to link to previous posts on your launch sequence. Here's how it works. Since your visitors are only meant to have access to previous posts on your launch sequence, and since you obviously don't want them to jump ahead in the launch sequence, we have created a section at the WordPress admin dashboard where you can select the order of your posts with an intuitive click and drag interface, as well as to select which posts you want to show, along with the title and the post description. In a nutshell, if you have 5 posts on your pre-launch sequence and your visitor is reading post number 3, the theme will only give him access to posts number 3, 2, and 1, effectively hiding posts 4 and 5 from him. Let me give you an example. As you can see, on this dummy test blog, we have posted 5 entries. Now, on the built-in previous posts section, I've arranged it so all 5 posts are to be displayed in order, even though we can easily rearrange the sequence order as we wish. Anyway, let's now imagine a visitor is at post number 4. Our goal is to make our blog look like that post number 4 was indeed the latest one, despite the fact that post number 5 has already been created. That's why the smart previous post feature will only give him access to posts 4, 3, 2, and 1, hiding post 5 altogether. This will create the effect that each of the posts your visitors read is indeed the latest one, and that creates a fantastic effect of evergreen content. Please notice that there's no date output anywhere on the theme, so you can write, upload, and schedule all of your content ahead of time, and your visitors would never know that it was all created weeks or even months ago. Again, it's all about creating an evergreen effect so that you can launch and relaunch your product over and over again. Why would you run one product launch when you can run the same launch every single month while keeping it just as fresh? Moreover, you can select some posts as featured, which will be highlighted by the theme. You might want some specific posts to stand out, such as, for example, the posts where you announce the actual launch of your product. That way, you make sure that no one misses any key post in your launch. Also, the theme allows you to edit the header to your liking by either uploading your own header, or if you so wish, you can simply upload a logo while using any of our available backgrounds in multiple colors. Take a look at these examples. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Imagine the possibilities of what you can do with just a squeeze page, an email autoresponder, and the product launch WordPress theme. You could squeeze your visitors into your email autoresponder. That autoresponder would have a preset follow-up email sequence, and each of the emails would link and lead your subscribers to yet another post in a progressive manner. So, on email 1, you will link them to post number 1. On email 2, you will link them to post number 2, and so on and so forth. That's how you create your own sequential product launch. So you can pre-sell them in a sequential manner, presenting awesome free content on each consecutive post, and further building anticipation all the way to your launch day. But do you know what's best of all? That you can preset it all and leave it running on autopilot. Okay? Since the product launch WordPress theme oozes that evergreen effect, subscribers to your mailing list will believe that they're involved in a live product launch that's happening in real time. They will consume your pre-launch content in a progressive manner. They will read all those comments, and they will get involved in your launch process deeper and deeper with each consecutive post. So when at the end of your preset sequence you link them to your final sales page, they will believe that your product is finally live, and they will rush to place their order. And all that happens on autopilot. Once you set everything up both on your blog and your autoresponder email sequence, you will be profiting from your own never-ending evergreen product launch. And every new subscriber entering your mailing list will go through their own particular launch experience regardless of the day they signed in for your mailing list. Cool, eh? So stop doing one-off product launches and start doing non-stop, evergreen product launches. The revolutionary product launch WordPress theme is all you need.